Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today I'm going to talk about what's the difference between a king and a split king. So you see here I got this princess and the pea thing going on here, but I'm trying to give you perspective. The below mattress is a king. That's 76 by 80. So 76, head to toe, 80. This is a Twin XL. Twin XL is exactly half of a king, 38 by 80. So the benefit of a split king is really only the fact that you can do split adjustable bases. So if you're ever buying 2 split Twin XLs and you're putting them on a regular foundation like a box spring or a bed frame, you're defeating the purpose, because the real only benefit is that you can get, if you buy a split king, is that you can get adjustable bases for you and your partner. The biggest thing is on this king, if you and your partner wants your head up, or one wants the head up and the other one doesn't, well, you're both going to have your head up or you're both going to be flat. With the split king assortment, you have your own sleeping arrangement. You can put your head up when you want, you can put your head down when you want. So that's the biggest difference. That is the difference between a split king and a king. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.